Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. K English Channel. I'm Kay.
Hi, I'm Bunie.
Today is a super common mistake.
No versus not. Many people mix them.
We will fix it fast. Bunie, how's your day?
It's good. I feel calm today.
Nice. I feel ready to teach.
I have coffee, so yes, I'm ready.
Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
And write one easy sentence in the comments.
Write, I have no blank.
Example, I have no time.
Your turn. Stop saying, I have not time. Native speakers do not say that.
Say, I have no time, or I don't have any time.
Stay with us and you will use no and not correctly forever.
Step 1. The big idea. No equals 0. Not makes the sentence negative.
Step 1 is the big idea. No means 0, none. Not makes a sentence negative.
No is a 0 word. Not is a negative word.
Look, no water, 0 water. No money, 0 money. No idea, 0 idea.
I am not ready. Negative. She is not here. Negative. We do not know. Negative.
Easy rule. No plus noun, not plus verb or adjective.
No usually goes before a noun. Not usually goes with the verb.
Quick check. No milk or not milk.
No milk.
More daily examples with no. No time, no service, no problem, no class, no meeting.
And with not now, not today, not sure, not good, not ready.
Role play 1. At the café. Hi, do you have oat milk?
Sorry, we have no oat milk today.
Oh, no oat milk. Okay. Are you open tomorrow?
Yes, we are not closed tomorrow.
Great, thank you.
No problem.
No oat milk means 0 oat milk.
Not closed means open.
Role play 2. Quick phone call. Hi, Bunie. Are you free now?
Sorry, not now. I'm at work.
Okay.
I have no time right now.
Got it. Talk later.
Sure.
Not now is negative time.
No time is 0 time.
Step 2. No with nouns. No plus noun. There is no. No plus ing for rules.
Step 2 is no. Use no before noun. No plus noun equals 0 of that thing.
Short, clear, strong.
Examples. No coffee. No sugar. No seats.
No homework today. No class on Sunday.
No extra fee.
No questions.
Use it with there is, there are. There is no milk. There is no braid. There are no clean cups.
You can use this at home, in stores, and at work.
Use no for rules. No smoking. No parking. No eating.
You see these signs everywhere.
Also, no can stand alone as an answer. Do you want tea?
No, thank you.
Perfect.
But you cannot answer with only not.
More real-life lines. No problem. No worries. No way.
No thanks. No, I'm okay.
Hi. Table for 2, please.
Sure. Any allergies?
Yes. No peanuts, please.
Okay, no peanuts.
And no spicy food, please.
Not spicy. Got it.
Thank you.
No problem.
No peanuts is no plus noun.
Not spicy is not plus adjective.
Can I drink water here?
Yes, you can.
Can I eat here?
Sorry, no eating in this room.
Oh, okay.
And no shoes on the mat, please.
Got it. Thanks.
No worries.
No eating is a rule.
Very common.
Step 3. Not for negatives. Be plus not, do plus not, can't, won't, and easy short forms. Step 3 is not. Use not to make a negative sentence.
We will keep it simple and real.
With be, am, is, are. I am not tired. She is not here. They are not ready.
Short forms. I'm not, isn't, aren't.
With do, does, did. I do not know. He does not like it. We did not go.
Short forms. Don't, doesn't, didn't.
With can. I cannot come. I can't come.
Very common.
With will. I will not be late. I won't be late.
Great for promises.
Quick check. I not know or I don't know.
I don't know.
More daily lines. I'm not sure. That's not true. It's not mine.
Don't worry. I don't understand. She isn't home.
Remember, not often goes with adjectives too. Not busy, not happy, not ready, not easy.
And no goes with nouns. No time, no money, no idea, no energy.
Step 3. At work. Are you free, Bunny?
I'm not free. I'm busy.
Okay. Are you done?
Not yet. Give me 5 minutes.
No problem.
Thanks. I don't want to rush.
Good. Not free, not yet, I don't want. All are not negatives. Step 3. Plans. Do you want to go for dinner tonight?
I can't tonight.
Oh, why?
I'm not home. I'm with my family.
Okay. Another day.
Yes. I don't want to cancel late.
I can't is cannot. I'm not is negative with be.
Step 4. The three moneymaker pairs. No plus noun versus not plus any or a plus noun, and not plus adjective. Keep it simple. Step 4 is the easiest comparison. Only 3 pairs.
You will use these a lot. Pair 1, money, time.
I have no time. I don't have any time.
Same meaning, 0 time. The second one is very common in conversation.
I have no money. I don't have any money.
Same meaning too. Pair 2, there is no, there isn't any.
There is no milk. There isn't any milk.
Same meaning. Both are natural.
There are no chairs. There aren't any chairs.
Same meaning. Pair 3, not plus adjective versus no plus noun.
I'm not hungry. I have no hunger.
I'm not hungry is natural everyday English. I have no hunger sounds strange in daily talk.
I'm not happy today.
Natural.
I have no energy.
Natural.
Good mix. Not plus adjective. No plus noun.
Repeat after me, only once.
I have no time.
I'm not ready yet.
Role play 1, step 4. Coffee shop problem. Hi, can I get a latte?
Sorry, there is no milk today.
Oh, you don't have any milk?
Right, we don't have any milk.
Okay, no problem. I'll get an Americano.
Great.
You heard both patterns.
Same meaning. Easy.
Role play 2, step 4, at home. Feelings and energy. Are you okay?
I'm not okay. I'm not happy today.
I'm sorry. Do you want to talk?
Yes, but I have no energy.
Okay, we can rest first.
Thank you.
Not happy is a feeling.
No energy is very common.
Step 5. Fast speaking rules. Choose in 2 seconds many real-life situations. Step 5 is your fast speaking rule. Choose in 2 seconds.
Let's do it.
Rule 1. If the next word is a noun, use no. No time, no money, no milk, no homework.
Rule 2. If you need a negative sentence, use not with the verb. I'm not ready. I don't know. He isn't here.
Rule 3. To answer a yes/no question, use no. Do you want coffee?
No thanks.
Rule 4. For quick, polite refusal, say not now or not today.
Rule 5. For rules, use no plus ing. No smoking. No parking.
Now, many situations. Situation 1. Your friend says, "Are you coming?"
Not today. I'm not free.
Situation 2. A waiter asks, "More water?"
No, thank you.
Situation 3. You look for your phone. You say, "Oh no, no phone." Then, "I'm not sure where it is." Situation 4. Someone asks, "Is the manager here?"
No, she's not here.
Situation 5. You try a shirt. It is too small.
This is not my size.
Nice. Situation 6. You are late. You promise, "I won't be late tomorrow."
Great.
Role play 1. Step 5. Travel, hotel check-in. "Hi, I have a reservation."
Welcome. Can I see your passport?
"Oh no, I have no passport with me."
That's not good.
"I'm not sure what to do."
Do you have a photo of it?
"Yes, I do."
Great. No problem. We can use the photo.
"Thank you so much. No passport is zero passport with me."
That's not good is a negative comment.
Role play 2, Step 5. Friends, reschedule. "Bunie, are you free tonight?"
No, I'm not free.
"Okay, tomorrow?"
Not tomorrow. I have no time.
"Friday?"
Yes, Friday is good.
"Great. See you Friday."
Thanks.
"No problem." Perfect mix. "No, I'm not free." "Not tomorrow." "No time."
That is real English.
Key point summary. Step 1. No equals 0. Not equals negative. Step 2. No plus noun. There is no. No plus ing for rules. Step 3. Not negatives. I'm not, don't, can't, won't. Step 4. 3 key pairs. No time, don't have any time, no milk, isn't any milk, not plus adjective versus no plus noun. Step 5. Fast rules to speak in 2 seconds.
Comment one sentence with no or not. Keep it easy.
Write, "I have no blank" or "I'm not blank."
We will read your comments.
Thanks for watching Mr. K English Channel.
Please like and subscribe for more easy English.
See you next time.
Bye!